So week 4 pa rin po tayo. Nagbabalik sa teacher Camille, no? Week 4 pa rin. So tayo po ay nasa solving problems involving parallelograms, trapezoids, and kites pa rin. So part 2 na tayo. Part ng assimilation sa inyong learners packet. So assimilation tayo ha. So dito na tayo. Continuation lang to nung last video na engagement. So directions. Solve the following problem. Show your complete solution. So number 1, problem solving pa rin tayo guys ha. So sabi dito sa number 1, a tablecloth is cut into a parallelogram in which two opposite angles measure. So, syempre, drawing muna tayo guys ng parallelogram. Drawing ko dito ha. Pasensya na kung hindi masyadong perfect. Basta alam yung parallelogram yan. Ayan. So, cut into a parallelogram in which two opposite angles measures. So, opposite angle daw na nagme-measure ng ganito. So, for example, ito yung angle na ito. So, itong angle we have 8x minus 33 degrees. And then, syempre, yung opposite niya, hindi pwedeng ito ha, kasi yan ay consecutive niya. So, ang opposite niya is yung katapat. So, ibig sabihin, ito, 5x plus 15 naman. So, we have 5x plus 15. So, guys, pwedeng ito. Basta ang importante, alam yung opposite angles, right? So, ayan, is a parallelogram in which two opposite angles measure. So, ito na siya, nailagay ko na. Find the measures of all the angles. So, ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap is yung measure daw ng lahat ng angles ng parallelogram na yan. So, syempre, hindi tayo makakapaghanap ng measure kung meron tayong variable. So, ibig sabihin, first step natin, we need to solve for the missing variable, which is in this case, yung x natin, para magkaroon tayo ng mga value. And since the given is opposite angles, sa parallelogram, alam natin that one of the property opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent, right? So, therefore, if they are congruent, they are equal. So, doon ko manggagaling yung ating equation. So, our equation will be 8x minus 33 is equal to 5x plus 15. Ma'am, lagi po bang ganyan ang ating equation? Lagi ko lang pong pinag-i-equal? Hindi po guys, depende po sa given. Since the given ay opposite angles, kaya siya sila equal. Pero if the given is consecutive angles, pag sa parallelogram, consecutive angles are not equal, di ba? They are supplementary. So, ibang case yun. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, hindi laging ganito yung equation natin. It depends dun sa given natin. Nakuha? So, yan. So, in this case, since opposite angles, they are congruent. Kaya ganito yung ating equation. So, solve for x na tayo. Kasi pag may equation na madali na, pag samasamahin lahat ng like term. So, si 5x ang isasama ko kay 8x. So, copy lang si 8x. And then, si positive 5x, since tatawid ng equal sign, magiging negative 5x na, is equal to, si positive 15, hindi ko siya gagalawin, nasa kanan pa rin siya ng equation, therefore, positive 15 pa rin. Si negative 33 ang isasama ko dito, so from negative 33, sa kanya yung negative guys ha, kasi diba naturo ko na naman before, kung ano yung nasa kaliwa niya, yun yung kanyang sign. So, si negative ay kay 33. Since si negative 33 ay tatawid ng equal sign, siya ay magiging positive 33 na sa right side ng equation. So, nakuha, then we solve. So, 8x minus 5x, we have 3x kasi 8 minus 5 is 3, just copy x is equal to 15 plus 33, we have 48. Since ang hinahanap natin ay si x, kailangan lahat ng kasama niya ay mawala. So, therefore, may kasama pa siya si 3. And, dahil ang operation between them is multiplication, tayo ay magdi-divide. Naturo ko na yun before, diba? So, magdi-divide tayo saan? Sa kung ano yung kasama ni x para makapag-cancel tayo. So, matitira na lang si x. Ilipat ko dito. Matitira na lang si x is equal to 48 divided by 3. So, ibig sabihin, our x is equal to 16, right? So, ma'am, ito na po ba yung final answer? Not yet. Why? Kasi ang pinapahanap, find the measures of all the angles. So, therefore, hahanapin natin lahat ng measure nito. Yung mga angle na yan. So, dito muna tayo sa angle na to. This one. So, yung angle na yan, sa angles na tayo ha. Yung angle na ito, 8x minus 33. Makukuha na natin yung value niya kasi may value na tayo ni x. Our x is 16 daw, diba? So, substitute lang natin. Just copy 8, and then our x may value na. Our x is 16, so substitute lang. Minus 33. So, 8 times 16, we have 128 minus 33. So, 128 minus 33. So, ibig sabihin, our first angle measures 95 degrees. So, ito yung measure nito, ng angle na to. It measures 95 degrees. So, ito yun ha, yung sukat nito. Now, kung alam kong ito ay 95, I can say, even without computing, na ito ay 95 degrees din. Why? Kasi alam kong they are opposite angles. And sabi, na opposite angles are congruent when it comes to parallelogram. Sige nga, try nga natin kung talagang 95 degrees pa rin yan. So, 5, ang x natin ay 16, di ba? So, 5 times 16 is 80, right? So, you can use your calculator para mabilis. So, 5 times 16 is 80 plus 15, that will be 95. So, therefore, tama yung nakuha nating value nito. 95 talaga siya. Now, ano yung sukat nitong dalawang nawawala pa natin? So, alam natin guys, kung ito ay 95, alam natin o paano natin ito solve. Since ang relationship nitong angle na ito at saka ng angle na ito ay they are supplementary, alam ko, pagpalagay natin ito ay si Y, basta nawawala yan. For example, let's sige, lagyan natin ng name yung mga angle. We have A, B, C, D. Lalagyan ko lang ng ganito para alam niyo yung mga sukat ha. So, our angle A, tsaka si angle C ay meron na. Si angle A is equal to 95 degrees. Angle C is also 95 degrees. Nilagyan ko lang para makita nyo. Now, ano yung magiging sukat natin kay angle B? Diba ito si angle B? So, alam natin guys na si angle A at saka si angle B, the relationship nilang dalawa is they are supplementary. Kasi bakit? Diba magkatabi sila? So, ibig sabihin, si angle B plus si angle A, so lalagyan ko ng solution ha, ulitin ko, si angle B plus si angle A, pag pinag-plus ko yan, their sum is what? 180 kasi they are supplementary, di ba? Ulitin ko ha, ito plus ito, 180. So, bakit ko ginawa yan? Para tayo makapag-solve for B dahil si B ang nawawala, di ba? So, angle B natin plus angle A. So, ang angle A natin ay nahanap na natin, ayun siya, di ba? So, angle A is 95 is equal to 180. So, since ang hinahanap ay angle B, mananatili siya dito is equal to 180, just copy. Si 95 ililipat ko sa kabila. So, therefore, siya ay magiging negative 95. So, our angle B now is equal to 180 minus 95. And that is, 180 minus 95, that is 85 degrees. So, therefore, ang ating angle B is 85 degrees. So, kung ito guys ay 85 degrees, alam ko na si angle D is also 85 degrees. Why? Kasi po, they are opposite angles. So, therefore, kung anong sukat ni B, yun din ang sukat ng ating D. So, therefore, natapos na tayo kay number 1. So, ayan yung sukat ng mga angles po niya. Nakuha? So, ulitin ko lang, paano natin nakuha yun? Siyempre, solve for x muna. And then, substitute the x, yung value ng x dun sa ating mga angle. Nakuha? So, yan. We're done with number 1. We will now proceed with, medyo mahaba, no? With number 2 na po tayo. So, number 2 natin, sabi dito, one lateral face of the roof of the school building is trapezoid in shape. So, drawing si Teacher Camille ng trapezoid. Walang nakalagay kung isosceles trapezoid ha, basta sabi lang trapezoid. One of the bases of this trapezoid is 6 meters longer than the other base. So, ibig sabihin, yung isang base daw, alam natin, yung base natin is yung parallel side. So, ibig sabihin, ito yun guys, at saka ito, diba? So, yung isang base daw ay mas mahaba ng 6 meters dun sa isa. So, kung itong isa na hindi na-describe, that will be our x. Diba sabi ko, pag hindi na-describe, yun yung x. Yung isa, na-describe, siya daw ay mas mahaba ng 6 meters. So, kung ito ay x, yung isa ay mas mahaba ng 6. So, plus 6 dun sa isa. So, ibig sabihin, kung yung isang sukat natin ay 10, yung isa ay 16 kasi 10 plus 6. Nakuha? So, doon ang galing yun ha. Si x yung hindi na-describe, si x plus 6 yung dinescribe. Kasi sabi, yung isa naman daw ay mas mahaba ng 6 meters doon sa isa pang base. So, ito yung sukat ng isang base plus 6 lang. Nakuha, so doon ang galing yan. So, sabi, find the length of the two bases. Hanapin daw natin yung sukat nitong dalawang base if the median measures 19 meters. So, alam natin na yung median is yung segment na nagjo-join sa dalawang midpoint ng dalawang legs. So, therefore, ito yung ating median. O, pasensya na hindi pantay sa ganun. Bitin ko, teka. Ito yung median. So, ang sukat daw niyan ay 19 meters. Hanapin daw natin yung length ng two bases. So, paano natin mahanap yung length nito at length nito? Hindi natin malalaman yan kung wala naman tayong value ni x. So, therefore, magsasolve tayo for x. Alam natin that the given is yung median tsaka two bases. So, therefore, ang magiging equation natin is yung formula natin for the median. So, di ba sa formula sa median, we have median is equal to base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. Paulit-ulit na na-discuss yan. So, substitute lang natin yung mga value. Our median is what? 19. So, substitute natin siya dito. 19 is equal to base 1 natin, we have x, plus base 2 natin, we have x plus 6. X plus 6. And then, divided by 2. So, again, saan nanggaling to? Dito sa formula, substitute nyo lang yung mga value. Our median is 19. Base 1 natin is ito po, si x. At yung base 2 natin ay ito, si x plus 6. And then, just copy divided by 2. Nakuha? So, ang target natin mapalabas ay si x lang. So, tayo ay mag-cancellation. So, unahin natin tanggalin to si denominator. Pwedeng cross multiplication or pwede rin naman yung ganito kung saan kayo masanay. Dahil division ito, multiply natin both side by 2. So, 2 times 19, we have, ito ko na ilalagay ha. 2 times 19 is what? 2 times 19 is 38 is equal to, syempre dahil nga ito ay division, so therefore cancel. And then ito, just copy. So, we have x plus 6. So, natanggal na natin yung denominator. Combine like term tayo. So, we have 38 is equal to x plus x. We have 2x. And then, just copy plus 6. But naging 2x, the invisible 1 plus the invisible 1. We have 2. Right? O then, combine like term pa. So, si positive 6 ay ililipat ko doon. So, si 38 ay 38 pa din. Si positive 6, tatawid ng equal sign. So, magiging negative 6 is equal to 2x. Mananatili siya sa kanan ng equation. So, 38 minus 6, we have 32 is equal to 2x. So, may kasama pa si x, si 2. So, divide both side by 2. Cancel. So, our x is what? Our x is equal to 32 divided by 2, which is 16. So, ma'am, ito na po ba yung final answer natin? Depende kung ano hinahanap. So, find the length of the two bases. So, therefore, hindi si x ang hinahanap natin. Pero, kaya natin sinolve si x para makuha natin yung value ng dalawang bases. So, yung dalawang bases natin, yung base 1 natin is equal to x at yung base 2 natin, ang base 2 natin ay si x plus 6. So, substitute lang natin. Since ang ating base 1 ay x, so alam natin yung value ni x. Our base 1 is 16. Ito na, di ba? Now, ano yung base 2? Ang base 2 natin ay x plus 6. So, substitute lang natin. Ang x natin ay 16. So, 16 plus 6. 16 plus 6, we have 22. So, therefore, our base 2 is 22. So, again, itong haba nito ay 16, yung unang base. Ito, 16. At yung pangalawang base naman natin, which is ito ay 22. Right? So, ibig sabihin, we're done now with number 2. Kasi ang hinahanap lang naman is find the length of the two bases. So, the first base, we have 16. And the other base is 22. So, check nga natin. We have 16 plus 22. That is 38. Diba sabi natin, paano nakukuha yung median? Plus ko lang to divided by 2. So, 16 plus 22 is 38. Divided by 2 is 19. So, tama yung nakuha nating sukat ng ating dalawang bases. We have 16 and 22. So, mag-proceed na tayo kay number 3. Number 3 na tayo. So, sabi dito sa number 3, ay wait, nangyari, ayan. Sorry, napindot ko. Number 3, a rectangular garden has a perimeter of 56 feet. So, drawing lang ako ng garden natin. So, ayan. For example, ito yun. Basta rectangle yan. Ang perimeter daw niya given is 56 feet. Sulat ko lang yung mga given, ha. Its length is 5 feet less than twice the width. So, for example, dahil hindi nabanggit yung ating width, yun po yung ating x. Again, its length, dahil nabanggit si length, yung width hindi nabanggit, yung width yung ating magiging x. Tapos, yung length daw is 5 feet less than. Mas maliit daw ng 5 doon sa twice ng width. So, ang width natin ay x. So, ibig sabihin, our length will be 2x minus 5. So, again, paano ko nakuha si x? Hindi dinescribe yung ating width. Yung ating length is dinescribe. Siya daw ay 5 feet less than twice the width. So, eto siya. 5 feet less than twice the width. Doon ko nakuha yung ating 2x minus 5. Kasi nga, mas mababa daw siya ng 5 kaysa doon sa doble nung width niya. Basta siya na yung mahirap tagalugin, ha? Ayan siya, 5 feet less than twice the width. So, ito po yung ating rectangle. We given the width and then the length. So, what is the area of the garden? So, we cannot compute for the area ng garden kung hindi naman natin alam yung sukat ng width and length, diba? Kasi alam natin that the area is length times width. So, therefore, isi-solve muna natin yung x. Nakuha. And base sa given is the perimeter together with the length and the width. So, yun yung gagamitin nating equation. So, kung natatandaan nyo, ang formula natin for the perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus 2 times width. Diba yung formula natin for the perimeter? So, substitute natin yung mga value. Our perimeter base sa given ay 56 feet. So, palitan ko na tong P. Gagawin ko na siyang 56 feet kasi yun yung given. And then, 2 times length. So, 2. Length natin, we have 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5. And then, we have the width. So, actually, kahit magkabaliktad naman yung length and width, walang problema kasi ang addition is commutative. Nakuha. So, kahit magkabaliktad yan, no problem. So, our width is x. So, again, saan ko nakuha to? Substitute nyo lang ha. 2 times the length. Our length is we have 2x minus 5 plus 2 times the width. Our width in the given is x. So, therefore, ayun siya. Now, pag meron na tayong equation, we can now easily solve for x. Just solve. So, we have copy lang si 56. is equal to, distribute natin ito, si 2. So, we have 2 times 2x, we have 4x, right? Kasi 2 times 2 is 4, then just copy x. Then, the other one naman, the second term, so we have 2 times negative 5. So, since different sign, kapag multiplication, always negative, 2 times 5, we have 10. So, again, saan nakuha si negative 10? 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Nakuha, and then this one, positive 2 times x, we have positive 2x. And then solve pa natin. Combine like term tayo. 4x tsaka si 2x. Dahil sila ay like term, pwede natin i-combine yan. So therefore, we have 56. Sige, hindi, sama ko na nga ito, si negative 10 dito ha, para dire-diretso na tayo. Since itong si 10, negative 10, ang kapareho niya is yung si constant na 56, sama ko na siya doon. So from negative 10, tatawid, so magiging positive 10 na. And then, nawala na si 10 dito ha. So, si 4x plus 2x na tayo. 4x plus 2x, we have 6x, right? Kasi 4 plus 2 is 6, just copy x. And then solve. So, dito ko na ilagay. Dito ko ilagay ha. Solve na natin. 56 plus 10, we have 66 is equal to, just copy lang 6x. May kasama pa si 6, si x na kailangan mawala, si 6. So, divide both side by 6. Cancel. So, matitira na lang si x dahil yun naman yung ating talagang pinapalabas. 66 divided by 6 is 11. So, our value of x is 11. Ma'am, is that the final answer already? Not yet. Why? Since ang hinahanap natin ay area, hanapin natin si area. Bakit natin sinolve si x? Siyempre, para magkaroon tayo ng value ng length tsaka width. Diba? So, base sa given, our width na is x. So, our width, ito si x, diba? Ang width natin is what? Ang x natin, dahil ito ang width natin ay 11. And ano ang ating length? Alam natin na ang ating length ay 2x minus 5. So, 2x minus 5. Substitute lang natin. Ang x natin ay 11. So, 2 times 11 minus 5. And that is 2 times 11. We have 22 minus 5. And 22 minus 5 is what? 17, right? So, therefore, our length, dito ko nalagay para hindi nakakalito. Our length now is equal to what? 22 minus 5, and that is 17. So, since ang length natin ay 17 at ang width natin ay 11, makukuha na natin yung area kasi alam natin that the area ng rectangle ay equal sa length times width, right? So, substitute lang natin. Our length is 17 and our width is 11. So, our area is equal to 17 times 11, and that is, 187. Nakuha. Now, ma'am, ano po yung magiging unit of measure? Siyempre, since tayo ay feet, just copy feet, and then daw ang hinahanap ay area, square lang natin. Ulitin ko ha, kapag area, laging naka-square yung ating unit of measure. So, eto na po yung ating final answer sa number 3. Kasi ang hinahanap is, what is the area of the garden? So, our area is 187 square feet ang basa po dyan. So, therefore, we're done with number 3. So, 2 numbers na lang. Proceed na tayo kay number 4. Number 4, so sabi dito, a tabletop is an isosceles trapezoid in shape. So, drawing si Teacher Camille ng trapezoid. And hindi lang basta trapezoid ha, given is isosceles trapezoid. Pag sinabi natin isosceles trapezoid, kung ano yung sukat nitong isang leg, yun din yung sukat ng isang leg. So, as isosceles trapezoid kasi. So, sabi, the median is 5.5 dm. So, alam natin yung median is yung line sa gitna. So, iyan daw ay 5.5 dm. Ano pa yung given? And one of its legs measures 2.5 dm. So, eto daw leg ay 2.5 dm. So, lagyan ko lang 2.5 dm. If one of the tabletop bases is 1 dm more than the other, so therefore, hindi na naman nabanggit yung the other. So, therefore, yung isa is gagawin nating x, yung hindi na-describe, yung other base. Then, yung isa is na-describe. Ano yung in description niya? 1 dm more than the other. So, kung ito yung the other, yung isa daw ay mas malaki ng 1 dm. So, kung ito yung isa, plus 1 lang. Saan ko nakuha yung x tsaka x plus 1? Si x yung hindi nabanggit, yung hindi na-describe. Si x plus 1 yung na-describe kasi sabi 1 dm more than the other daw. So, plus 1 lang kung ano man yung sukat ng isa. Nakuha, and then ang hinahanap, find its perimeter. So, now, hindi po tayo agad makakakuha ng perimeter dahil ang perimeter, guys, is the palibot, diba? Yung palibot ng ating trapezoid. Hindi po tayo makakuha natin yung sukat niyan kung wala naman tayong value ni x. Kasi kailangan alam ko sukat nito, sukat nito, sukat nito, sukat nito. So, ibig sabihin, I will solve for x muna. And dahil ang given is median, so ito yung gagamitin natin to solve for x. Formula natin for the median is equal to base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. So ito yung aking magiging equation to solve for x. Nakuha? So substitute the value. Our median is 5.5. So 5.5 is equal to, our base 1 is x. plus base 2 natin, we have x plus 1 divided by 2. So, solve. So, dahil merong ilalim, tanggalin natin yan. Pwedeng cross multiplication, pwede naman yung minumultiply by 2. Dahil nagawa ko na kanina yung minumultiply doon sa gilid, sige, cross multiplication naman tayo this time. Di ba ito ay may invisible 1? So, ibig sabihin ito, 1 times the whole thing, alam kong ito rin. Kasi any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. So, ito lang din yun. So, copy ko lang ito ha. So, we have x plus 1. And then, yung kabilang side naman ng equation, ito naman, kasi nga cross multiplication. So, ito, tsaka ito. So, 5.5 times 2 tayo, and that is 11. So, doon ko nakuha yun ha, dito. Kinross multiply ko lang. And then, we solve. So, pagsamahin ko ito, x plus x, dito ko na siya ilalagay. Naiyak na naman aking totoy. Ayan, x plus x, we have 2x. And then, just copy plus 1 is equal to 11. So, ito siya ha. So, lipat ko pwede pa yan. Wait, naiyak kasi tatay. Ayan. Lipat ko si positive 1 dito sa kabila. So, matitira si 2x here is equal to 11. From positive 1 tatawid, magiging negative 1. So, therefore, we have 2x is equal to 11 minus 1, that is 10. So, may kasama pa si x 2. So, divide both side by 2. So, cancel. Our x is equal to 5. Now, ma'am, ito na po ba yung final answer? No. Wait. Hindi pa ito yung ating final answer, that is just the value of x. Ang hinahanap natin is find its perimeter. So, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, ang perimeter natin ay ina-add lang natin yung 4 na side na yan, di ba? So, therefore, kailangan alam mo yung sukat nito, tsaka nito, tsaka nito, at ito. So, our x may value na tayo. Our x is 5. So, therefore, itong side na ito ay 5. Ulitin ko ha, itong side na ito ay 5 kasi ayun. Now, ano naman sukat ng side na to? So, itong side naman na ito, substitute nyo lang. 5 plus 1. And that is what? 5 plus 1, we have 6. So, etong side na to ay 2.5. Bilugan ko lang yung mga sukat ha. Itong side na ito ay 5. Itong side na ito ay 6. Ma'am, ano po sukat nitong side na to? Since the given is an isosceles trapezoid, alam ko na ito, itong leg na ito ay equal dito. So, kung ito ay 2.5, alam ko that this leg is also 2.5. Nakuha. So, therefore, nakompleto na natin yung sukat ng mga sides. So, our perimeter, so, i-add nyo lang yung mga side. So, we have ito plus ito plus ito plus ito. So, we have 2.5 plus 5 plus 2.5 plus 6. Pwede nyo nang i-direct yan sa calculator. So, is equal to, unahin ko ito, 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5, plus 5 is 10, plus 6 is 16. So, therefore, my perimeter or our perimeter is 16 dm. Nakuha. So, again, paano ko nakuha yung 16? Add nyo lang yung 4 na side. Nakuha? So, ayan na po yung sagot natin dun sa ating hinahanap. Kasi ang hinahanap is find its perimeter. So, we're done with number 4. Magpo-proceed na tayo sa last number na. Number 5 na tayo. So, number 5 tayo. The area of the paper used by William in the making of his kite is 60 square inches. So, therefore, the given is a kite. Drawing lang ako ng kite. Ayan. One of its diagonals is 2 inches less than the other diagonal. So, therefore, ito yung ating dalawang diagonal ha. So, yung isang hindi nabanggit, the other diagonal, yun yung ating, isang diagonal. Siyempre, pag hindi nabanggit, x, di ba? So, therefore, ito yung ating x. Ito yun ha, yung diagonal na mahaba. And then, yung isang diagonal na na-describe, one of its diagonal is 2 inches less than dun sa isa. So, ibig sabihin, kung yung isa ay x, yung isa, bawasan ko lang daw ng 2 kasi less than 2 less than the other. So, kung itong diagonal na ito ay x, itong diagonal, ulit nga. Wait. Ayan. Kung itong diagonal na to pala guys, ito ay x. Itong isa ay x minus 2. Ulitin ko ha. Itong isa hindi na-describe. So, yun si x. Itong isang diagonal ay na-describe siya si x minus 2. Ba't naging x minus 2? Kasi sabi sa description, 2 inches less than the other. Di ba yung other is x? So, minus 2 lang daw. X minus 2. So, ayan. Meron na tayong given na dalawang diagonal. So, sabi dito, find the lengths of the two diagonals. So, ibig sabihin guys, sulat ko lang itong given ha, the area. So, ibig sabihin, given the area of the paper is 60 square inches. So, 60 square inches. So, now, ang hinahanap is yung sukat or haba ng dalawang diagonal. Siyempre, since may variable x, kailangan makuha muna natin yung variable x para makuha natin yung haba ng dalawang diagonal. So, ang gagamitin natin dito guys is yung given. Since the given is the area, so doon manggagaling yung ating equation. So, alam natin na yung area, formula for the area ng kite is diagonal 1 times the diagonal 2 divided by 2. Diba? Ito yung area na formula for the area ng ating kite. Kasi given is the kite. So from here, substitute lang natin yung value. Base sa given, our area is 60 square inches. So palitan ko na si A, that is 60 is equal to our diagonal 1. Since multiplication naman is commutative, pwede magkabaliktad yan. So the diagonal 1, we have x. And then the diagonal 2, we have x minus 2. Base dito sa given ha, divided by 2. So cross multiplication tayo. Pwedeng cross multiplication, pwede rin naman ganito kung saan kayo mas dadalian. Same lang siya ha. Multiply both side by 2 para makancel ito. So 2 times 60, we have 120 is equal to, anong matitira na lang dito ay ito. So si x tsaka si x minus 2. So ito ko na ilipat. So just copy 120 is equal to, distribute natin. So we have x times x, we have x squared. X times negative 2, we have negative 2x. So gawin natin, dahil ang given ay quadratic, gawin natin quadratic equation yan. Lipat natin to si x squared sa kabila. So from positive x squared tatawid, so magiging negative x squared. Si negative 2x tatawid din sa kabila, lilipat din natin doon. So magiging positive 2x. So si 120 mananatiling positive kasi hindi ko yan gagalawin. Nandiyan pa rin siya sa kaliwa ng equation. I-equate natin siya sa 0 kasi para maging standard form. Now, hindi tayo pwedeng magkaroon ng negative na first term. So, yung shortcut niya na tinuro ko sa mga estudyante ko, babaguhin lang lahat ng sign. So, from negative, magiging positive x squared. From positive 2x, magiging negative 2x. Positive 120, magiging negative 120 is equal to 0. Now, meron na tayong quadratic equation. And pag may quadratic equation, to solve for x, alam nyo na yung i-apply nyo. Yung apat na napag-aralan natin before, yung factoring, extracting square roots, quadratic formula. So in this case, pinakamadali is yung factoring natin kasi factorable eh. So di ba ganyan yung itsura ng factoring? So sabi natin, factors daw ni negative 120 na pag pinag-plus natin is negative 2. So therefore, that is 12 and 10, right? Kasi 12 times 10 is 120. Pag pinag-minus ko yan, possible na negative 2 yung answer or pag pinag-plus natin. Since negative 2, ibig sabihin, mas malaki yung negative. So therefore, si 12 ang gagawin kong negative, si 10 yung positive. O, check nga natin, di ba dapat ito yung product, ito yung sum. Negative 12 times positive 10 is negative 120. So, tama. Nakuha natin yung product. Yung middle term naman is the sum. Negative 12 plus positive 10 is negative 2. So, tama. Kasi kung positive si 12, negative si 10, positive yung gitna. Kaya dapat si 12 yung negative. Nakuha. So, alam nyo na to. I-equate natin siya both side kay 0. Diba ganun yun? So, ibig sabihin, itatawid natin. So, shortcut. Sige na nga, para hindi shortcut. Baka malito kayo. Equate both side by 0. Ito rin isa. So, x plus 10 is equal to 0. And then, itatawid natin si negative 12 doon. Ganun din si 10. So, from negative, magiging positive 12. Ito yung isang value natin ni x. And then, from positive, magiging negative 10. That is the other value naman ni x. Pero, guys, ang gagamitin lang natin is this one. Bakit ito lang po? Kasi alam natin na kapag ang pinag-uusapan ay sukat, wala po tayong negative. So therefore, hindi natin to gagamitin kasi negative siya. Wala naman tayong sukat na negative, di ba? So our value of x is 12. So therefore, yung isang diagonal natin, yung diagonal 1 natin is what? Since ayun si x, our first diagonal is 12. Ito yung ating first diagonal. Ano yung ating magiging pangalawang diagonal? Yung second diagonal natin is x minus 2. So, substitute lang natin. Ang x daw natin is 12. At again, ito lang ang gagamitin ha. So, kung 12 to minus 2, our diagonal 2 is what? 12 minus 2 or simply 10. Ma'am, ito na po ba yung final answer? Tingnan natin yung hinahanap. Ang hinahanap is find the lengths of the two diagonals. So, since ito yung hinahanap, so ibig sabihin, tapos na tayo. Yung isang diagonal daw natin, ang sukat ay 12. The other diagonal, ang sukat ay 10. So, check nga natin kung tama yung nakuha natin. Alam natin that the area is times lang natin divided by 2. Base sa given, ang area daw dapat ay 60. So, try natin. 12 times 10, we have 120 divided by 2 to get the area and that is 60. So, therefore, tama yung nakuha nating value ng ating dalawang diagonal. So, we have 12 and 10. Nakuha. So, ibig sabihin, natapos na natin yung ating part 2 doon sa inyong learner's packet, the assimilation. So, abangan na lang yung pinaka-last part, yung ating assessment ha. Medyo mahaba tong assimilation. So, ibig sabihin dito ko natatapusin itong video na ito. So, ayan. So, hope nakatulong ulit tong video na to. Kung nagustuhan nyo po tong video na to, syempre guys, paki-like po. And mag-iwan na rin po kayo ng simpleng comment. Kahit po thank you lamang. Ha? And then guys, syempre, para makapagsagot din yung iba nyong classmate, i-share nyo rin po itong video na ito sa kanila. And syempre, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ni Teacher Camille, ano pang hinihintay? Mag-subscribe na para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko. So again, maraming salamat sa pakikinig. This is Teacher Camille once again saying goodbye!
Parallelograms.